guys, it's me, Jasmine Beauty, and welcome back to my channel. I am super excited because today I got in my Colourpop Mystery Box here. Oh, I'm super excited. I haven't seen anything that's in here yet, so you guys are opening it up with me. I got the, I think it was the $89 one. It's the one that comes with like the most products. So yeah, let's start this unboxing. Oh wow, it comes with a lot. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is what it looks like so far, So, first things first, I got the Act Natural Defining Mascara, and I got it in black. The packaging is cute, it's simple, it's very color poppy. And I also got it in brown. So I got it in black and I got it in brown. Okay. Right now I have like lash extensions on, so I'm definitely going to be trying these out on my lower lashes. Next, we have here some Lippie Stix. We love Lippie Stix. So this is a Lippie pencil. This one is in Ashton. And then I also have it in Field Day, which is a very warm, like pinky mauve shade. Definitely up my alley of nude lip liners. And then I have Trust Me. And this is a Lippie Stick. So this is the like lipstick. This is in this very beautiful like blue based red. And then I got the shade Poison. Ooh, I've actually never tried any of the Lippie Stix. I've tried a few of their lip liners, which I really enjoy. And this is gonna be a beautiful like fall color because it's that real deep like burgundy red. Can't wait to try this out. And then we have two of the ultra glossy lips, and I have in the shade Irreplaceable. Ooh, this is pretty. This is like a very like orangey shade. Ooh, and it comes in like a brush applicator. Let's see if I can zoom this in so you guys can see. I don't know, I'm very weird with lip glosses. If it's sticky, I don't like them. And this feels like it's like a sticky like formula. But it has like these pretty gold like reflexes in it. So I may have to, you know, try it out and try to ignore the stickiness. And then oh, I got two shades of the Irreplaceable. Okay. I'll probably keep one and then give the other one to my sister. And then I have two of the, well, I have one of the Bff Creme Gel Liners, and this is in the shade Elastic Daisy. Ooh, okay, definitely matches the name. Definitely gonna have to do something super fun and colorful before the summer ends. And then I got the liquid liner, and this one is in Make Love. Ooh, let's see how what this shade is. And this is like a yellow. Oh my gosh, Colourpop, you with the colors. Like, that's gonna be fun. This is gonna be a fun box to do looks with. And then that's what it looks like on my hand. This is definitely going to help me come out of my comfort zone. As you know, I'm a very nude girl, like nudes, browns, blacks, grays. Like, I do the same thing. So these greens and yellows are really gonna, you know, push me out of my comfort zone. Ooh, we got some things from Soul too. So we got this from the, I guess, Soul line of the Colourpop cosmetics brand, and it's the Shimmering Dry Oil, and I got it in the shade Paloma, and it's very like a glitter. It smells so good. It smells like coconut, like beach. Like, oh god, I wish I could be on a beach. And that's, I mean, it gives a pretty like a light shimmer. It's not like you're putting like a glitter all over you. It gives you this like really beautiful like iridescent like shimmer to you. You're gonna be looking like a glowing goddess, and this is for the body, not for like the face. Super excited to try this out. And then I have the Bff Creme Gel Color, and I have spring day. So let's see what crazy color this is gonna be. And I'm not disappointed. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful. That is such a pretty color. Colourpop, keep it coming. Keep it coming, Colourpop, because I'm loving everything so far. Avocado Body Milk from Fourth Ray Beauty. Okay. Let's open this up. I love like the little unicorn it comes in. It's super cute. And then this is what this looks like. It's in like a cute little like old school milk thing. ASMR. It smells very fresh. Very fresh and like kind of like cucumbers, but it's supposed to be an avocado. And it's very like liquidy. If you can see how it's dripping. It's not thick at all. Yeah, no, it's not thick at all. It smells so like fresh and clean. This is definitely something I would use like after the shower, you know, like after a good like bath. Pamper yourself, put some avocado milk all over your body. Like, that sounds like a good time. And then we got 2 pressed glitters. Okay. One in the shade Cuteness, and then the other in the shade Hi. Hi. It's literally like H-A-I. Hi. Pull this out. This one is definitely like a bronzy shimmer. It's definitely chunky. It's definitely a chunky glitter. Oh yeah, it's like extremely chunky. You're probably gonna need a glitter glue for this. This is Hi. This one is definitely more pinky purple. Yeah, it's definitely chunky. It's definitely something you may have to pack on like a wet brush or use like a glitter glue, or even like your fingers. You'd really have to like pack it on like real good, because the glitter is it's very chunky. It's a very chunky glitter formula. Next thing here we have is the Creme Shadow, and I have it, what does it say? I have this one in the shade Moonbeam. Oh my gosh. Tell me this isn't my shade without telling me this isn't my shade. Like, guys, I am so excited to try this. I wonder how pigmented it is. It's creamy. It's a pretty like creamy, like really thick formula. Very pigmented, very thick, and it looks like it's not gonna be the most forgiving. You're definitely gonna have to work with it quick because it dries on like almost instantly as soon as you apply. But the color is absolutely gorgeous. Like, thank you, Colourpop. Thank you. Like, you knew this was gonna be my jam. Moonbeam, you're about to get used a lot, girl. Next thing, we have another shadow, and this is the Jelly Munch shadow. So I wonder how this formula is gonna be. And this one is in Saguaro. You can tell it's about to be a messy one, so keep away from children. And it's a very iridescent, like corally color, which I think this is going to be so beautiful. It's definitely a moussey texture, but look at that like pigmentation and that like shimmer and that glow on my finger. And then I put some of it on my hand here. Like, this is definitely going to be an eye-catching, light-catching shadow. And the color is definitely something that I can work with. Definitely my range of colors here. We got a lot of products here, guys. Okay. Next thing we got here is the Super Shock Cheek from Colourpop. And I have it in the shade Wisp. It's pearlized, so it's going to give a beautiful glow. So I think this is going to be more of like a highlighter. And this is in Wisp. Oh, the formula is super creamy. And it does give that beautiful pearlescent feel. So this is good for like inner corner, or this will be a beautiful, like stunning on like a deeper skin tone as like a highlight. We have here from the Fourth Ray brand of Colourpop, these two. Okay, so these are the face milk. So I have papaya face milk and I have watermelon face milk. So the papaya face milk revitalizes and as a moisture booster. And then the watermelon face milk balances, and then it's also a moisture booster. So this is what the papaya looks like. Ooh, and it comes in a little dropper. Ooh, that looks super creamy. The routine: apply 2 to 3 drops into palms, warm between hands, and gently into skin. The formula is very, very, very lightweight, so I wouldn't use this primarily on its own because I have super dry skin and I need something that's a little bit more thicker. Even though this does say that it's moisturizing, I'll definitely give it a try though. I'll give this one and then also the watermelon one, and I can show you what that looks like real quick. And it's pink, and I feel like the watermelon kind of smells like what the avocado one smelled like. Very fresh and lightweight. Definitely some products that is worth trying since I have them, huh? And then I have, from that same 4th Ray like beauty line, Turmeric Brightening Serum Boost. Superfood glow with antioxidants, and it illuminizes. It's another like dropper. It's much more smaller than the other two face, and this is supposed to be a serum. Now guys, you know I'm obsessed with my Laneige, so it smells alright, I guess. It's definitely not priming. Don't really see at first glance, but I have a bunch of shit on my hands, so I'm not doing any of these products justice on my skin right now. Rubbing a bunch of eyeshadows and glitters and highlighters and all that other shit all over the place. I'm always down to try a new face glowing serum. I'm down to my last 2 products, and the first one I have here is from, I guess, their Animal Crossing line, and it's the Pressed Powder Palette, and this one is called La Belle of the Ball. Ooh, so these are like little eyeshadows. Okay, again, we're here with the color. These are very beautiful colors. You do a really pretty monochromatic like purple look here. Ooh. And I'm not even gonna bother swatching them because I don't have any wipes and my fingers are like filled. It's disgusting. And then I have another one of the Pressed Powder palettes, and this one is called What a Hoot. It's a little unicorn it comes in. And then this one is, okay, definitely more on the neutrals. More warmer tone, definitely more my jam, definitely fall. I'm not mad at it. I mean, I don't play Animal Crossing, so I kind of don't get like, you know, like the names or like anything about it. But the eyeshadows do look pretty and I'm super excited to use them. So guys, that is everything for this unboxing. I'm so excited. I'm happy with pretty much everything that I received in this mystery box. This is so cool. It's really like, you know, if you're like a makeup lover like I am, this is really a fun way to add some new and fun things into your collection that you wouldn't normally buy. Like, I wouldn't buy this. I wouldn't buy this beautiful blue creme gel liner. I wouldn't buy that. Probably would buy this Creme Shadow. These eyeshadow palettes, I wouldn't normally buy them, but now that I have them, I'm gonna use them, and it's really a fun way to just broaden like your horizons when it comes to makeup, because I know if you're anything like me, you kind of stick to the same tones, the same formulas, the same old thing, and it gets boring and you get uninspired. But this is definitely a good idea, Colourpop. I'm super impressed, especially with how much products it gives you. I got the $89 one, and this is way over like $200 worth of products. Way over. So you can't complain. Definitely can't complain. So if you guys are interested in me doing a full face using all of my mystery products, please leave a comment down below and let me know, you know, something fun, something different that we can do together. So thank you guys so much for unboxing the Colourpop Mega Mystery Box with me. This was super fun, and I hope you guys had just as much fun as I did and enjoyed it just as much as I did. Oh yeah, and before I almost forgot, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!